Hey everyone, and welcome back to Zacchy Crypto Update. If you're holding JasmyCoin or you're looking for the next big mover in crypto, you absolutely need to pay attention to this video. Today, we're diving deep into a jaw-dropping price prediction for Jasmy that could change everything. Analyst Javon Marks just dropped a chart with a target that might seem insane, $4.47 for JasmyCoin. That's a potential 25,200% increase. Is this realistic? Hype, or a brilliant call? Stick around, because we're going to break down the technicals, the roadmap, and what this could actually mean for your portfolio. Let's get right to it. Javon Marks, a respected analyst, has set a price target of $4.4842 for JasmyCoin. Yes, you heard that right. That would put Jasmy right back at its all-time high and represent a massive 253x increase from current levels. Why such a bold call? It all comes down to the chart. My initial reaction was skepticism, to be honest. A 25,000% pump? That's aggressive. However, I've been looking at the chart and the fundamentals, and while $4.47 is definitely an ambitious target, there's a confluence of factors that make me think a significant move for Jasmy is possible. Not guaranteed, mind you, but possible. Okay, let's break down why this isn't completely out of the realm of possibility. First, the technicals. Jasmy formed a clear falling wedge pattern from early 2021 to late 2022. This is a bullish reversal pattern, and Jasmy broke out of it with significant volume in late 2022 and early 2023. That breakout was key. It signaled a shift in momentum from sellers to buyers. Since then, Jasmy has been printing higher lows. This is crucial. It means even with corrections, the price isn't falling back to previous bottoms. This is classic recovery behavior. Think of it like a staircase, slowly but surely climbing upwards. Secondly, we have the 2025 roadmap. This gives investors a reason to be optimistic. It provides a tangible plan for the project's future development and adoption. I think the combination of this technical breakout and the roadmap is compelling. The chart shows the potential, and the roadmap provides the fuel for that potential. However, let's be real. There's a lot of resistance ahead. To even sniff that $4.47 target, Jasmy needs to break through levels at 10 cents, 50 cents, and $1. Each of these will be major battlegrounds. So what are the potential paths for Jasmy? Here are the two main scenarios I'm watching. Scenario 1, the bullish case. If Jasmy can hold above this $0.015 to $0.017 support zone, and we see continued positive momentum and roadmap progress, then the next targets are $0.035 to $0.04, the early 2024 highs. From there, the road to higher prices opens up, but those resistance levels I mentioned, 10 cents, 50 cents, and $1, become increasingly important. Scenario 2, the bearish case. If Jasmy loses that $0.015 to $0.017 support, we could see a pullback. How deep? That depends on overall market sentiment. But losing that level would be a red flag. It would suggest the breakout was a fake out, and the bullish momentum is fading. Right now, I'm cautiously optimistic. I like the technical setup, and I like that there's a fundamental catalyst with the roadmap. But crypto is unpredictable. I'm watching that $0.015 to $0.017 level like a hawk. As long as it holds, the bullish scenario is in play. But a break below, and I'd be reducing my exposure. Okay, what should you do with this information? First, do your own research. Don't just blindly follow a single analyst's prediction, even if it's compelling. Look at the charts yourself. Read the roadmap. Understand the project. Second, manage your risk. Jasmy is a volatile altcoin. Don't bet the farm. Use stop losses. Diversify your portfolio. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Third, if you believe in the long-term potential, consider dollar-cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, buy small amounts at regular intervals. This reduces your risk and can lead to better returns over time. Personally, I'm holding a small position in Jasmy. I think the risk-reward is interesting, but I'm also prepared to cut my losses if the bearish scenario plays out. I have stop-loss orders in place, and I'm not afraid to take profits if we see a significant move upwards. Let's be crystal clear. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Crypto is highly volatile. You can lose all of your money. Always do your own research. Consult with a qualified professional before making any investment decisions.